Good morning, friends. Welcome in Patliputra Express Daily Horoscope. Let's start our horoscope with the Aries. Timely trading decisions will take maintain relationship with relative dignity. I think they are looking for work will succeed. Taurus. Improve children health. New functions plans will be discussed. News will be beneficial. Chronic diseases may emerge. Gemini, society will admire your work, courage will power, efficiency will benefit from the collaboration, take heart in the job. Cancer, on thinking positive, keep on eye in the employ, the affair will solve family problems, the atmosphere will be convincing. Lion, on effort and respect will increase, potential increase in the employment sector, permanent property may cash. Daughter, preservation hard work will get a proper food, keep resistant and anger and excitement, and the work area will be benefit from the new plans. Libra, can spoil themselves in atheism, the lack of tolerance will be business job situation will normal. Scorpio, confidence will decide, spend income in accordance with the financial matters, keep track of physical conditions, legal actions will be completed on time. Sagittarius, continuous effort in a business will take the cautions, purchase sales work will work. It is important to control yourself. Capricorn, business will run good, fun full result will work nice and pleasant condition will be created a welcome boost to business success. Aquarius, fulfillment of evidence, businessmen benefit from continuous effort, progress is likely, family satisfaction, pleasure experience. Pisces, economic dispatches are indicate your opponents can attempt to terrorize the image, it would be good stay to away for bold action. So this is Jan Prakash, thank you for watching us.